This is the Capability for Work questionnaire for Universal Credit. The section Cancer Treatment. This section only applies to you if you are having, waiting for, or recovering from chemotherapy or radiotherapy. If this is applicable to you, please ask a healthcare professional to fill this section in. This may include a GP, a hospital doctor, or a clinical nurse who are aware of your condition. The healthcare professional will need to fill in this section with the relevant details and information about your condition. They can do it either electronically or on a printed copy, but they need to return it to you once they complete it. If you need any further assistance with the completion of this form, please contact Dash on 020-8848-8319 or email them at info@dash.org.uk.